If you're watching this, I know you want to dye your hair red. Just do it. Why do you feel the need to dye your hair? Is something really going on in your personal life? If my godbrother was here, he'll be like,
why didn't you let me do your hair?
I'm sorry to all my hairstylist friends in advance. I know I should have come to you, but this is a battle that I need to face on my own. I'm gonna reinvent myself.
You can do it. Nothing is impossible. Don't treat anything like it's impossible. You got it.
Red hair era, let's go. I got this from the werewolf shoot, by the way, so if you see this, just know I do my own stunts. I did my fair share of research and I did some talking to ChatGPT. Let's see if ChatGPT will let me down, or maybe I will let myself down. 1 or 2 box dyes if your hair is long and thick. We have an old t-shirt / towel, sectioning clips, a white tooth comb, gloves, some Vaseline, shampoo I've got. First step, they say Vaseline is your best friend. So I'm gonna be putting Vaseline maybe like on just my face, I guess. Perfect. And then here, I asked ChatGPT, how can I go from this to this? And they say, get this specifically. I'd be really surprised if it works because on the box, it does not look like the results that I want. So squeeze everything in. Ooh, look how satisfying this is. Next, we're gonna mix some oil in. They also said that you shouldn't wash your hair for 24 or 48 hours. I did wash my hair last night, but I'm hoping that dance class that I went to earlier gave me a little bit of natural oils. Shake, 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 yeah. Guys, look at this. It's already turning red. I'm scared. Should we do this? Should I back out? Why? No audacity, Chelsea. If there's one thing that you are, Chelsea, you're brave. Remember that. Never forget. Gloves on. The power of change is in your hands. Literally. Let's just do it. I mean, it's just a hair dye. Oh my gosh. I can feel the chemicals. I think the key is to get my hair like really wet. It's getting on my pants. Life is about committing. You have an idea, you have a vision, figure out a way to follow through with it. Honor it and make it happen. Because visions don't just happen for no reason. Just slathering it all. I do not see any change of color happening right now, but I'm going to trust the process. And I'd rather it looks subtle than really red anyway, so I can feel the chemicals actually because it's kind of burning my eyes. Why do you think we get the urge to change the color of our hair? And technically I'm not supposed to do this because I'm an actor. I'm supposed to look as natural as possible, look like my headshot. I think everyone's been needing a change. And sometimes change is good. It makes life interesting. Gosh, I really hope I'm not staining my pores. Should I have done this outside? Please, please don't stain. Oh man, look. My favorite sweatpants. What do I want to do for 30 minutes? Maybe I'll just sit outside in the sun. New hair, new me. All right, that's 1 bottle for you. I'm just going to put my hair in a plastic bag. After 20 minutes, I'm gonna wash it off and I'll show you guys the result. This is the result. I did stain my skull a little bit, but that's totally fine. I actually think it kind of looks like the ChatGPT picture. It's kind of like purplish, but you can still see a hint of red and it's very subtle. Like, I really like it. I think I'm going to dye my hair one more time with the other box dye that I got. Guys, do you think this is crazy? Like, I just got back from work. I just casually decide to dye my hair red. I think the confidence is there now. I did it once. I was scared, but now I'm not scared anymore. See, this time I didn't even use any Vaseline.
It's impossible not to get it on your clothes.
This time I've learned. I'm wearing like black shorts now. I think changing your hair color really gives you like a second life. But there's something with hair that when you change it, it affects you. And it's also really therapeutic to just go through it. Get it in there, rub it in there. I think the hardest part is like getting the back of your head. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I definitely think that if your hair is long and thick, you should use 2 box dyes at once. Whew. Second box dye done. I am officially a redhead. Oh, did I regret this? No, I did not. I actually think this was very good for me. I think I really needed a change. I think my friends really like it too. I went to work today for the first time with red hair and everyone like really liked it. It's new hair, new me vibe. Life isn't too serious. You don't have to take it too seriously. It's just hair. It's not the end of the world if you mess up. And yeah, hair is really powerful. It can make you feel really confident. It changes your appearance, your aura. It really shapes your face. It also brings out certain colors. What was that? If you're thinking of dyeing your hair red, do it. Do it, 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 do it. Don't even think, just do it. If I can do it, you can do it.